Loading slowly. Okay, we're now live on YouTube. And who do I have in front of me, please?
Edgar Rueda.
What page is he on? There.
Judge, he is on page 3, Judge.
Okay, Edgar Rueda, Rueda, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Hold on, sir. On my paper docket. Now I gotta find you on the screen. Okay, Mr. Rueda, can you raise your right hand for me?
No contest.
Sir, can you raise your right hand for me? Do you swear the testimony that you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Put your hand down. All right. I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay. Do you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm going to ask you some questions. All I need is yes or no answers, okay? So just take your time and we'll get through this. Is your name Edgar Rueda?
Yes.
Are you the same Edgar Rueda with this cause number 2026 CC 008237 who's charged with the offense of criminal trespass? Is that you?
Yes.
Criminal trespass is a Class B misdemeanor. It's possible in your case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 up to $2,000. Do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Yes.
I'm looking now at a document that's entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you signed and that your attorney signed. When you signed this document, you told me that it was okay to do this by video. Is that right?
Yes.
I'm looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you have signed it. Your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes.
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
Yes.
And do you understand it?
Yes.
Okay, hold on. Let me sign this document. 1 minute. Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes.
I'm now looking at a document on my screen that is entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You've signed it. Your attorney signed it. When you signed this document, what you did was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, Judge, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes.
So then, to the offense of criminal trespass, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Okay, 1 minute, please. You understand that on a plea of no contest, that the court can still find you guilty anyway.
Yes.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No.
Besides the plea bargain agreement that your lawyer got for you, besides that, apart from that, has somebody promised you something in order to get you to do this?
Yes.
All right, let's do that again. Besides the plea bargain agreement that you got for your lawyer got for you, besides that, apart from that,
No.
has somebody promised you something to get you to do this?
No.
Are you doing this of your own free will?
Yes, sir.
All right. Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite it?
0 fine, court cost, 6 months, deferred adjudication. No contact with Jose Guzman and 1060 West Pyron, Pyron Avenue, 78221.
What was the name of that street again?
Pyron, P-Y.
Pyron?
Yes, sir.
Paul? Okay. All right, and no community service hours?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Okay, and is that your understanding of the plea bargain, Ms. Levenstein?
It is.
And Mr. Rella, is that your understanding of the plea bargain?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Rella, deferred can be a great deal, it can be a bad deal. The great part about the deal is if you successfully complete this, you can truthfully say you were never convicted of the crime. The bad part about the deal is if you screw up and you get violated, you can be looking at the maximum 6 months in jail, the maximum $2,000 fine. Do you understand that?
I understand.
And understand that you still want this deal? You still want it deferred, sir?
Yes.
Okay. Then the court, sir, having heard your plea of no contest, on that plea, the court finds that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. However, I do not find you guilty. I instead defer or postpone any adjudication of this matter for 6 months. I assess a $0 fine plus court costs. Make it a condition of your deferred that you have no contact with Jay Guzman. And the address of 1060 West Pyron. SA, I'm just going to put San Antonio. Tell the deputies that we're not finished, that you still have to talk to the probation officer, okay?
Okay.
All right. Good luck to you. And Ms. Levenstein, Brenda, it's good to see you. We'll see you hopefully again
Good to
another
see
one
you
soon.
too. Yes.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Take care.
Okay, Brenda. See you later.
All righty, Judge. Ms. Garcia, okay. Judge, we're gonna do bottom of page 2, Judge, and the top of page 3. Ismael Reyes, he's got 3 cases. I think we're going on all 3. Am I right, Ms.
Yes.
Garcia?
That's correct. And then with 001889, that is going to be probation. When I did the paperwork, Judge, I put application for both because at that time I didn't know whether it was going to be for probation or deferred, but the plea bargain is for probation, and we know that.
Okay, so on all he's getting probation on all 3 of these cases?
No, the other than 001889, the other 2 are going to be for JSAT.
Right.
Okay. What a weird
They're all class
plea
B
bargain. Okay.
and they're all class B misdemeanors.
So your J 91, the evading arrest, and 75, the unlawful carrying, and then the third one, striking a landscape. He's getting probation on that one.
That's right.
That's correct.
Okay.
And that is a class B misdemeanor.
Yes.
And that's a class C. And you're giving probation on the class C?
That's right.
Class C, no, B. B as in boy.
It's a B. Oh, it's a B.
B as in boy.
Okay. I thought I heard
It's
C.
just an unusual one, so I just wanted to let you know.
Okay. All right. Okay, sir. Hold on a minute. Let me find your paperwork. 1 second. I'm looking for paperwork on Mr. Reyes. Okay. 91, 89. $75. Okay, Mr. Reyes, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
You put your hand down, Mr. Reyes. I'm about to share my screen with you. Do you see the screen?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is your name Ismael Reyes?
Yes, sir.
Are you the same Ismael Reyes with this cause number 2026?
Yes, Your
CC
Honor.
01291, who in this cause number is charged with the offense of evading arrest. Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you also the same Ismael Reyes who in cause number 2026 CC 001575, when that other cause number is charged with the offense of unlawfully carrying a weapon?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Your evading arrest case and your unlawfully carrying a weapon case, those are class A misdemeanors. Okay, for a class A misdemeanor, it's possible in your cases, in those two cases, that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 1 year in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible in each one of those cases, anywhere from $0 to $4,000. Do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment could be on those two class A misdemeanors?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you also the same Ismael Reyes who had cause number 2026 CC 001889, when that cause number is charged with the offense of striking a highway landscape or fixture?
Yes, Your Honor.
That case is a class B misdemeanor, and it's possible in that case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $2,000. Do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment could be on the striking the highway landscape or highway fixture?
Yes, Your Honor.
In all of these cases, you have filed a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you signed and that your lawyer signed. When you signed this document, you told me that it was okay to do this cases by video. Is that right?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm looking now at a document on my screen entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. You have filed this document in all three of your cases. You have signed it in all three of your cases, and so is your attorney. Did you go over these documents with your attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did your attorney explain these documents to you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand them?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Hold on, let me sign this document. Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. And you signed this document, so is your attorney. You filed this document in all three cases, signed it in all three cases as well. When you signed these documents, what you did was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes plea bargains for me, if you follow those plea bargains, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
So then, in cause number 2026 CC 001291, and that cause number where you're charged with evading detention, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Can you repeat that, sir?
Sure. In this cause number 2026 CC 001291, where you're charged with the evading arrest or detention case, in that case, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Okay. In your other cause number 2026 CC 001575, where you're charged with unlawfully carrying a weapon, in that case, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
In your third case, cause number 2026 CC 001889, in that case where you're charged with striking highway fixture or landscape, in that case, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, Your Honor.
Okay, hold on. You understand that on pleas of no contest, the court can still find you guilty.
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody forced you to enter these pleas?
No, Your Honor.
Besides the plea bargain agreements that your lawyer got for you, besides those, apart from those, has somebody promised you something in order to get you to do this?
No, Your Honor.
Are you doing these pleas of your own free will?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can we do the plea bargain on the 2 times served cases on cause
Yes.
numbers 2026 CC 01291 and 2026 CC 001575.
Yes, Your
Can
Honor.
the state give me the plea bargains in those cases?
Yes, those will be a 0 fine, court cost, 200 days, Bear County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrently. He has more than 200 days credit on both of those cases, or on each of those cases.
Hold on. I'm going to just satisfy those cases. Do you agree those plea bargains in those 2 cases, Ms. Garcia?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, so then, the case I have on my screen now, 2026 CC 001291, which is the evading arrest case. The court having heard the plea of no contest in that case. On that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sent you to a $0 fine plus court costs, 200 days in the Bear County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent. The judgment is satisfied. In that case, hold on 1 minute. Okay, I've done the evading arrest case. I got to pull up the unlawful carrying case. Give me a minute. Unlawful carrying case is the 75 case. Cause number 2026 CC 001575. We're charged with the unlawfully carrying case. That case is on my screen now. And cause number 2026 CC 001575, where you're charged with unlawful carrying a weapon. The court having heard you plead no contest in that case. On that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sent you to a $0 fine plus court costs, 200 days in the Bear County Jail. I give you credit for time served, time and money run concurrent. The judgment is satisfied. Okay, now moving on to your striking the landscape case, which is going to be the 1889.
Okay, let me know when you're ready.
Okay. And cause number 2026 CC 001889, where you're charged with the striking of highway fixture or landscape. That case, the court doing the paperwork on that right now. So hold on. In cause number 2026 CC 001889, where you pled no contest to the offense of striking a highway fixture or landscape item, the court accepts your plea of no contest. On that plea, I find you guilty. What's the I'm sorry, I don't find you guilty. What's the plea bargain on that plea of no contest?
0 fine, 180 days, probated for 12 months, court cost, a gun safety course, a driver safety course, 48 hours of community service, restitution to be determined to Mitchco, that's one word, MITCHCO foundation repair.
Okay.
And that's it.
Okay, no community service hours. Oh, yeah, you do have
48.
48 hour community service. Okay. Is that your understanding of the plea bargain in this case, Ms. Garcia?
Yes.
Do you agree with this, Mr. Reyes?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Reyes, the court then having heard you plead no contest. In this case, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to 180 days in the Bexar County Jail. However, I suspend that sentence, place you on probation for 6 months. I assess 48 hours of community service. A restitution. Looking for the restitution thing. I know it's here. I see it all the time. Oh, there we go. Restitution to Mitchco. Foundation. Comma. If any. To be determined, right?
Yes, Judge.
Correct.
And now I'm looking for I can't read my writing now. I've got 2 courses I need to have them take. What's the first course?
Gun safety.
Gun safety. And I think I have to type that out. I'm not sure that's on here. There's not. And what's the other course?
Driver safety.
There's a driver ed course, but that's different, or is it not?
I don't know, but honestly,
I don't
Okay.
either.
whatever's there, I guess.
Driving safety course.
Mhm.
Okay. All right. Tell the deputies that you still have to talk to the probation officer, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
I have to take you where you got to talk to probation, all right? Good
Yes,
luck to you,
Thank you, sir.
Judge, I just need to tell my client that I don't know if you're getting out today because you still have the felony that needs to be dismissed, but I'll reach out to your felony attorney to let him know that you've taken care of these.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Good luck to you,
Go
sir.
back to room, yeah, go back to room 1, Miss Guzman, to talk to,
Okay.
this client.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, ma'am. All righty, Judge.
Okay. Does that take care
Back
of
on the
the,
bonds. That takes care of the docket, Judge.
that takes care of the plea docket? So then, I'm gonna take off